here is how we can use a VPN on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it fully. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So you probably know that you can go to your settings app, and if I just come back to the main settings page, this is what you are probably familiar with. You can tap on the general section, and in here we have the VPN and the device management. So you might be like, yeah, let's just go in here, tap on VPN, and you can add the VPN configuration. So this is the manual approach. So if you know the server, remote ID, authentication, username, password, and all of the stuff, right? And all of the settings which you have to manually set up right here, like the type of the VPN and everything. So if you have that data available, you can type it all in and set up a VPN profile so you can use it on your phone like this. But for the vast majority of cases, what most people do is that instead of setting it up this manual way, they just go to the App Store and download a VPN client app. There are plenty of apps. I'm not like affiliated with any of them, so you can just browse through them and freely pick the one you like the most. There are plenty of options, as I say, but let's say that you download one of them, right? For example, there's this one which is called Free VPN. So let me just confirm the download right here. So now that I downloaded this app, it's going to allow me to set all of the things up, but automatically, right? Or with the click of a button. So when I click on open, I chose just like a random VPN client. I kind of have to go through the setup to make that work. So as you remembered, the other manual alternative would require us to just, set up the data manually, but right now in here I can just tap on this to install the configurator. You can see that I click on allow, it moves me over into this settings page. I can type in my code, and in here it's into this particular example I can watch ads to connect, but you can see that it allows us to set up the VPN profile right there. So right now we have one set up, and you can see that I didn't have to manually set up the data. So that is like the whole point. You basically pick an application like this one, and you will have the ability to just connect to the another countries like internet, and that's how basically VPN works. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.